Another extremely loud jump scare in Dead Space. Imagine that. Welcome to the channel, everybody. Today we're just going to be going through a quick tutorial on how to handle that enemy that you just saw right there. They're called Necromorph Brutes. I'd originally beaten this game on Xbox 360, which I love, but when I played through the remake initially, I completely forgot how to handle these guys, but it's actually very easy. Just hit them with stasis, which you unlock in Chapter 1, and then work your way around the back to the exposed weak points, and just take them out. In this playthrough, I use the pulse rifle, and it's really easy. If you hit them with stasis, go around the back and use the proximity grenade, and it really doesn't take that much. Not too bad, other than the fact they're just giant, scary bastards. Thank you guys for watching.